Now, it looks like everything matches up. Here's the old filter, and there's the new K&N high flow filter. You know, it's definitely been used. You know, I've never seen one come oiled before. They just don't send them out that way. You have to oil them when you get them. So, you know what? We're gonna drop it in there, and it should be fine. I'm gonna check it over. Like I said, I might clean it. It's pretty dirty. You know what I'm saying? I'd replace it. And I usually clean this one every 5,000 miles. But it's kind of a, these things are kind of a son of a gun to take off. You know, 2 of them are pretty hard. So I can see me doing it every 10,000. You certainly don't really have to do it any more than 10,000, to be honest with you. But all right, let me take a look at this filter. Let me inspect it. Let me decide if I'm going to go with it or not.